The Cooksy Hexagon Hybrid Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It has an 11-inch hexagon surface. This design is not just for looks, but it also helps with cooking. The hybrid surface combines stainless steel and non-stick. This means you get the benefits of both materials. You can sear food well, and it won't stick easily. This Cooksy Hexagon Hybrid Pan is made to last. It is metal utensil safe, so you don't have to worry about scratches. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly. Cleaning is also easy because of the non-stick surface. Many people find their life in the kitchen easier with this pan. It even comes with a lid for some models. Overall, the Cooksy Hexagon Hybrid Pan offers good capability for home cooks. It blends the durability of stainless steel with the ease of non-stick. If you want a pan that can handle different cooking tasks, consider this one. It might just make your holiday cooking smoother too. The Cooksy Hexagon Hybrid Pan aims to make your cooking life better. Pros: non-stick surface, metal utensil safe, heats up quickly, heats evenly, durable, easy to clean, oven safe, to 500 degrees F, comfortable handle, for all cooktops, enhances flavor. Cons: non-stick may not last long, can be semi-non-stick at best, food can stick sometimes, might need oil for non-stick, cleaning can be tricky, potential for coating to degrade, can be pricey. Handle might be slippery, not truly like stainless steel, durability not like full stainless. Features: hybrid surface, non-stick coating, stainless steel, metal utensil safe, easy to clean, even heating, oven safe, to 500 degrees F, comfortable handle, all cooktops 11-inch size. This Cooksy 11-inch frying pan has a special hexagon surface that is both non-stick and made of stainless steel. This means food won't easily stick, and you can even use metal kitchen tools without scratching it. The pan heats evenly, is easy to clean, and can go in the oven up to 500 degrees F. It also has a comfortable handle and works on all kinds of stovetops. The Cooksy 11-inch hexagon surface hybrid stainless steel frying pan aims to blend the benefits of non-stick and stainless steel, offering a metal utensil safe, quick and even heating, and durable pan suitable for all cooktops and oven safe up to 500 degrees F, with a comfortable handle and potential for enhanced flavor. However, its non-stick capability might not last as long as traditional non-stick. Can sometimes be semi-non-stick requiring oil, and cleaning could be tricky with the potential for the coating to degrade. Additionally, it can be pricey, the handle might be slippery, and its durability isn't the same as full stainless steel, sometimes leading to food sticking.